Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, today we are covering our chapter number 5 from page number 88, that is distance, time and temperature. We will learn in this chapter how to measure the distance, the time and the temperature. So first we will know about what is distance. Distance is a numerical measurement or value of how far objects are from each other. For example, these are two objects and you have to find the distance between them, so you can measure it with the help of meters, centimeters and kilometers. It depends upon the distance, that how far these objects are from each other. For very small quantities, for very small distances, we use the scale, that is millimeter. For example, for the height of this cake, we can measure it in millimeters, and the length of a spoon will be measured in centimeters. The width of a book can also be measured in centimeters. Centi means one hundredth part, one part from 100, and the bigger lengths are measured in meters. 1 meter long, it is equal to 100 centimeters. So if you want to find out the height of a tree, it will be measured in meters. If you want to measure the length of a car, that is also measured in the meters. And the very long distances are measured in kilometers. For example, the distance from your home to school, the distance from one city to another city. And you also must remember the one more thing, that is kilo means 1000. Kilo means 1000. In previous classes you have learned that how to convert in kilometers and kilometers to meters and centimeter and up to so on. So again you have to memorize it and you have to revise this. In 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. In 1 meter there are 100 centimeters. In 1 meter there are 100 centimeters. In 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters. You have observed on your scale, in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters. So if you want to convert kilometers into meter, you will multiply kilometer by 1000, then that will make a meter. And if you multiply a meter by 100, so it will make a centimeter. If you multiply centimeter, if you want to convert it centimeter and you multiply by it 10, then they will become millimeters. If you divide millimeter by 10, it will become a centimeter. And if you divide a centimeter by 100, it will become a meter. And if you want to find it in kilometer, then you will divide it by 1000 to find its kilometers. So how can we convert? If you multiply 60 by 10, it will become 600 millimeters. If you multiply this quantity 1.5 by 10, it will become millimeter. If you multiply 1.5 meters by 100, centimeter by 100, it will be converted in meters. So if you multiply this by 1000, it will be converted into kilometers. So here are some examples you have to solve, and here are also some examples you have to revise them from page number 91. And on page number 92 there are examples of addition and subtraction. After solving these examples, revising these examples, you are able to solve the question number 1, 2 and 3 on your book. And your today's task is to solve question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 with the help of your parents. This question number 4, you can find it yourself with the help of your parents. Your today's task is till page number 93, question number 1, 2 and 3.